Welcome back. Today is part 4 of Cat to Titanic. So let's begin. Before we go to the trading plaza, let's check the mail. Wow, 100 million and a hardcore pet. Now we have claimed them. Now we can go to the trading plaza. We have loaded into the trading plaza. Let's go sell the exclusive pet on auction. Worth for billion. Time to fast forward. Okay, so we now have 10 billion. Let's go find a booth so we can sell pets. Okay, we have found a booth. Time to fast forward. Someone bought it. Let's say thank you. Time to fast forward again. Someone just bought it. Let's say thank you. Let's end the video here. We have 11 billion. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.